Alright, time to get started. I'm gonna go ahead and do the backside of these guys. I'm not gonna wait for them to dry before I put them on because it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stain them, let them chill out for a little bit, and then start figuring out how I'm gonna get them on there. As far as figuring out what the numbers are, because my numbering system failed me horribly. It's 14, 15, 15. This is 16 actually. I don't know, I gotta figure it out, but yeah. For now, I'm gonna stain these. You can match the sides. Ooh, yeah, a couple of these I might need to redo. Rethinking about it. I got those two sanded down. Just really quickly hit them with some 120. It took me a couple seconds on either side. So I'm gonna start with these guys and work my way to the back sides of those. Alright, so let these dry. Took a little bit, tried to tint my back window again. Failed miserably. Got interrupted a couple times. But yeah, looks awful. But at the end of the day, whatever. It'll just encourage me to give up. I'm gonna look at it for a couple of weeks, give up on trying. I think that's like my 15th try. And at like 25, 30 bucks a pop. On average, there was a couple that were way more than that. I think I'm done messing around with tent. I like doing the sides. I can do the sides just fine, but that back window, it just kills me every time. Can't do it. I give up. I know my limits. Anyways, so these are the two that I stained before. Went back and restained the backs of all the other ones. They're pretty good and dry as they're gonna get. So now I'm going to. Yeah, well, these ones, I just flipped them back over and stained the back side of these guys. So now I'm going to start figuring out. A lot of these you can see in there. 2, 3, it's got a little 4 right there. 5. I tried to carve them in as best I could. Most of them I can tell, but there's 3 or 4 here that I'm going to have to wait until I get the rest of them on before I can match up the bolt holes. And, you know. The bolt holes will probably match up just fine. It's just that they're custom drilled for each one. And, yeah, they might get a little skewed and close together or something. The gap won't be quite right. I know it's not going to be right because they're a little curved. You can see this one's curved right there. But generally they look pretty good. So now I'm going to start getting them on the car. Alright, first one is on there. You can see these shorter ones definitely look a lot better than those longer ones did. And nice black hardware, not sanded down. It's gonna look nice. Might just look normal from a little bit of ways away, but I think it'll look really nice close up. So alright, I'm just gonna keep working my way across here now. They are on there. It is official. Man, let me move this stuff off of here. What I'm thinking about next is the D-rings here. These guys do too deep. Let's see what I'm thinking here. Bolting right through that. But for right now, These guys are all on there and tightened down. Hopefully for the last time. Hopefully. But I think it looks pretty damn sweet. There's a fucking cover shot, huh? Picture. Alright, well. That's what they look like. Oh, now I won't get monetized. Bummer. Total fucking